Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Clipboard History on Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my document on my Microsoft Word, and for example, I'm going to copy some paragraphs from this document to another document. The first one, I'm going to copy this paragraph. I'm going to right click on it and then select copy, or you can click Control and C. And I'm going to copy this one as well. Right click, copy, and I'm gonna copy and paste this image or this picture. Right click, copy. Okay, and then I'm going to paste it. And we can click on the Windows icon and V, Windows plus V, and the clipboard history will appear right here. And we just need to select the item we have copied, and it will be pasted automatically like this. Okay, alright. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use clipboard history to quickly copy and paste to another document on Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.